This is why I'm highly recommending so many people to choose to create content today, because the algorithms favor smaller content creators.
What's up, everyone? Chances are if you are wanting to do content full-time or even part-time, you probably think you have to have 1 million followers to succeed. That cannot be further from the truth in 2026. And I'm gonna explain it in this video and go through the mistakes that I made whenever I first started doing content to where I'm at now, so you can avoid the mistakes and actually understand what it means to be successful when creating content. So let's get started. All right, let's lay out a basic understanding of what it means to do content full-time or be successful at content. When most people say I want to become a creator, they're really coming back to the exact same thing that most people come back to, and that's they want to make more money, or they want to make money from their phone. That's like kind of the foundation that makes people want to do content. Yes, some people want influence, some people want a voice, some people just want to post videos for fun, but the majority of people want to do content to make more money. And what I want to show you here with this account is I want to show you the mistakes that I made when I started content. This account right here has 230,000 followers. And the issue with this account is not the fact that I have a lot of followers or a lot of likes, it's how I was getting the likes. Because in this time that we're in with social media, you really have to become more niche, and I'll explain what I mean by that. So my first video ever on this account was this one right here. It got 10 million views. The video was a fake fight video, basically saying that my best friend slept with my girlfriend, something, just to spark up some controversy. The video starts off, it's going through like a fake fight, and then we cut the video off and say like for part 2. This video got a ton of engagement, ton of views, and then every other piece of content after that was only trying to do one thing, and it was trying to go viral. That was it. We weren't giving out information. I mean, I guess you could say we were entertaining people, but I wasn't building up actual followers that wanted to follow me for who I am and what I teach, what I do. That's the biggest mistake, and the biggest thing that I'm going to show you with these other accounts that has basically changed the game on how content is done. So back in 2020, whenever I made this first video, it was really easy to grow on TikTok. You can get a lot of followers really fast. Now, and it's still pretty easy on TikTok to gain a lot of followers. You just got to talk about the right thing. So as you can see, lots of views, a lot of viral videos. It's basically satiric videos. So how to add 8 to 12 inches to your vertical instantly, how to add 40 pounds to your bench, just different things like that. This account right here has made me $0. I've made no money from this account that has 230,000 followers. So if this is not the sign that you can start from anywhere, you can start from anywhere. You should be starting right now. You should have started yesterday or the week before that. All right, let's look at the other account. So this is like a spam account, personal account, I guess. And this is where I basically teach creators how to do TikTok shop. And if you're watching this video on my YouTube, that's the same thing that I talk about on this YouTube account. But the difference between this and the previous account that I showed you was that I niched down like 10 times better than I did with my first account. And that's the mistake that I was able to clean up. Now, yes, I don't have as many followers because I'm not really trying to entertain people. There's way less people that want to learn about TikTok shop than want to be entertained. But this account right here has made me money because I was able to run ads with this account. I was able to host webinars and get more people to show up to the webinars. As far as a personal brand, this one has a way stronger personal brand than my other account that I was showing you. And I don't post on this as much as I should, but you out there watching this, you're going to post way more than I do. And lastly, the last thing I want to show you is this account right here. This is a TikTok shop account. Anybody who is wanting to start doing content full-time or part-time, and your number one goal is to make money, you need a TikTok shop account. That's what you should be focused on entirely, because what TikTok shop is going to do, it's going to allow you to basically get paid to learn something, because you're not going to be good at videos at first. You're not going to understand watch time. You're not going to understand hooks. You're not going to understand retention, engagement, all these different aspects to a video, but TikTok shop will teach you that. And it gives you the ability to make money. See, with this account, it's going to become harder for somebody brand new to monetize an account like this, unless you already have an existing business. With an account that's a TikTok shop account, all you need are samples and an eligible account, and then you can learn from that. And if you aren't familiar with TikTok shop, it's basically you taking a product or a sample, you post a video about it. If somebody clicks on the product, then you make a commission from it, you make money. The brand for whatever product you're selling ships the product out, and they pay you a commission. To put it in perspective, some people can make $100,000 in a month from TikTok Shop. Some people can make 1,000, some people can make 10,000. There is such a wide range of how much money you can do. But if your path and your goal is to make as much money as possible in the quickest amount of time, you need a TikTok Shop account. That should be the account that's your daily money maker while you are trying to build up a personal brand account. Because with TikTok Shop, it's not connected to your name. The algorithms are going to show different people different accounts, and you are going to learn so much because you're going to be posting so much with TikTok Shop. So hopefully this kind of made you rethink content. If you want to learn how to do TikTok Shop, if you want to join a group or agency that's doing it, TikTok Titans, link is in the description for that. If you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.